Uh, Hi, today we are writing a program to calculate the area of the triangle in C language. First of all, we are using online C compiler to execute our code. So in this we are using online C compiler program is. So we are erasing these code to write our code. So these are the single line comments. We can also write our program heading in single line comment, calculating area of a triangle. So next, first of all, in every C program we must include a header file which is stdio.h. It is a standard library, standard header files which is already implemented in C library. This contains input output functions like scanf and printf. So we are including another header file which is math.h because we are performing mathematical operations to find the area of the triangle. So we need math.h, so I am including that. So it is the syntax to include header files into our program. So we are starting our program main function. So in main function, the program execution also starts from main function. So next I am declaring a variable of integer type and the variable is choice, and next I am creating a float variables a comma b comma c comma s and area comma base, so height. So every statement must ends with a semicolon in C language. Next, in this I am using two methods to calculate the area of the triangle. The user which he wants to execute the code. So I am writing two methods in this program. So what these methods I tell the user in the prompt messages like printfs. These messages are displayed in the output console. So I am displaying here. So my first method is calculating area by using sides of the triangle. Calculate the area by using sides of a triangle. And next second method is, and my second method is calculate area by using base and height of a triangle. So I am using a new line to display the output in the new line. So here I also using new line. Next ends with a semicolon. So next we are asking the user to enter his choice in both the methods. So printf double quotes enter your choice. So I am reading that choice into a variable by using scanf function, scanf, and for integer variables the type specifier must be specified %d comma ampersand choice, which the variable we already declared of int type, so semicolon. Next we are checking the condition which the user has entered. If choice equal to 1, if the user entered the choice 1, he wanted to calculate the area by using sides. So I am writing that code in this if condition. This code will execute only if the condition is true. This is a conditional statement. If so, I am entering starting our if method. So printf enter 3 sides of a triangle. Again I am keeping a new line, ends with a semicolon, and next scanf function. Scanf. Here we are using percentage of type specifiers. So because we are creating float variables for storing sides of a triangle, so comma ampersand a comma ampersand b comma ampersand c. We are storing the 3 sides of a triangle in a, b, c variables of float type. Next, to calculate the area of the triangle, we must calculate the perimeter. So to calculate the perimeter, we are using arithmetic operator plus sum of all sides divided by 2 will get perimeter. And next, the formula is for calculating area equal to square root function we are using, which is already implemented in math.h library. So s into square brackets s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So next ends with a semicolon. Next we are closing that, and next if the choice equal to 2, if the choice equal to 2, enter. So starting our program, if the user has entered choice 2, means 2 he has entered, he want to calculate the area by using base and height. So we are giving a prompt, enter base and height of a triangle. Enter the base and height of a triangle. So new line, ends with a semicolon, enter. Next we are using scanf function to read that value. Scanf percentage of space percentage of comma ampersand base comma ampersand height. So semicolon. In this method it is very easy to calculate the area of the triangle. Just we are multiplying base and height, base into height divided by 2. Just here simple to calculate base and area of the triangle using base and height. So next, this closing the function. Next, if the user has not entered both choice 1 and 2, he is entering some other number, so we are displaying another prompt. So if choice not equal to 1 and choice not equal to 2, so we are printing a printf. So we forget to write braces, so please keep the braces. So printf and enter the wrong choice. Entered wrong choice. We are displaying, so the user can get the idea about he is entering a wrong choice. So ends with a semicolon. So can keep new line also. semicolon, enter, next brace close. Next at the end we are printing the area, printf area of a triangle equal to percentage f double quotes close comma area. We are keeping area in the area variable, so we are printing that, ends with a semicolon. So next return 0. Here we just write return 0 to end the program. So next, this is the program. First we check all the code. We are writing FLOAT, spelling mistake. So FLOAT, float space. So next check printf, spelling, double quotes, semicolons, all are correct. So if the user has entered 1, he is asked to enter 3 sides of the triangle and calculate the triangle area. If the user has entered 2, so he enter the base and height and calculate the area of the triangle. If the user has not entered 1 and 2, then he get a message of you have entered your wrong choice. So we are run this code, running. So here it is getting error, so we are modifying these errors. So in this first printf area of the triangle equal to percentage of. So here we have to make a mistake. Area of the triangle percentage of, here displaying error, so you're rechecking it, entered wrong choice. Next you are all correct, but why it is showing we did all correct. So run this code. Missing terminating character. So here we missed terminating character. Area of the, here we not entered double quotes, so it is showing you have not entered. So run this code. So it is asking calculating area by using triangle, enter your choice. So I am entering my choice 1. So it is not displaying. Why? Because we are not choice equal to 1. Run this code. This is online compiler, so you cannot do anything. So enter 3 sides of a triangle. So I am entering 3 sides, which is float values 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. So the area of the triangle is 2.90. This is a float value. So I am entering another choice. Just run the code. So I am entering choice 2, enter, and it is asking base and height of the triangle. So I am entering suppose base 4 and height is 2. So 4 to 8, 8 by 2 4. So it is displaying 8 or not. 4 to 8, 8 by 2 4. So it is displaying a correct output. So next we have entered a wrong choice. So to check the condition also, so I am entering a other number 7. So entered wrong choice. So our program is correct. If you entered any numbers, not these base and heights, we can enter any base heights, then it will calculate the output. So This is our program to calculate the base and height of the triangle.